kids! Welcome to Sunny Tales for Kids! We are very happy you are here today. Thank you for watching. Look! Who is coming to play with us? It's Benny the puppy! Yay! Benny is happy. Benny is waving hello. Can you wave hello to Benny? Hello, Benny! Great job! Benny loves to learn new things. Benny loves learning with kids like you. Today is a very special day. Today we are learning shapes. Shapes are everywhere. Shapes are all around us. Are you ready to learn shapes with Benny? Yes, great! Let's begin. Let's look at our first shape. This shape is called a circle. A circle is round. A circle has no corners. Let's say it together. Slowly, circle, good job. Let's say it again, circle. Very good. Look at the ball. The ball is a circle. The wheel is a circle. The sun is a circle. Benny rolls the ball. Roll, roll, roll. The ball rolls far away. Benny runs to get it. Benny is laughing. He is happy. Let's say it again together. Circle, amazing. Now, let's learn another shape. This shape is called a square. A square has 4 sides. All the sides are the same. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good counting. Let's say the word together. Square. Nice job. The box is a square. The window is a square. Benny touches the box. Tap, tap, tap. Benny likes squares. Say it again. Square. Square. Very good. Now, let's learn a new shape. This shape is called a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count them slowly. 1, 2, 3. Great counting. The roof is a triangle. The mountain is a triangle. Benny points up to the triangle. Point, point. Say it together. Triangle. Again. Triangle. Excellent. Now, let's learn another shape. This shape is called a rectangle. A rectangle is long. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. The door is a rectangle. The book is a rectangle. Benny opens the door. Open, close it. Benny smiles. Say it with Benny. Rectangle. Again. Rectangle. Wonderful. Now, let's review all the shapes together. Are you ready? Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Great. Let's say them slowly. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. You're doing so well. Now, let's play a fun game. I will say a shape. You point to it. Ready? Circle. Good job. Square. Nice. Triangle. Wow. Rectangle. Perfect. Let's play again. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Amazing. Now, let's find shapes around us. Can you find a circle? Look around. Good. Can you find a square? Look around. Nice. Can you find a triangle? Look around. Wow. Can you find a rectangle? Look around. Great job. You are learning so much. Benny is very proud of you. Now let's see all the shapes again. Circle, square, triangle. Rectangle. One more time. Circle, square, triangle. Rectangle. Learning shapes is fun. Benny loves learning with you. Yay! Benny is happy. Benny claps his paws. Clap, clap. Thank you for learning with Benny. Thank you for watching Sunny Tales for Kids. Bye-bye, kids. See you next time. Wave goodbye with Benny. Bye-bye. eye.